A very good morning to you children. Welcome back to your computer period. And today we are going to learn about the new chapter in computer, that is Fun with Paint. Yes, Fun with Paint is our new chapter. So children, we are going to learn about what is a paint, how we can open paint, and what are the parts of paint window. Okay, so let's learn about it. So children, we all know that if we want to draw any picture in a computer, we need a software, and we use paint software for that. Okay, to make picture, to draw pictures in a computer, we use paint software. Okay, now let's learn about paint. What is a paint? Paint is a program on a computer which help us to draw pictures. Yes, by using paint program we can draw pictures in a computer. Now, how we can start a paint in a computer? The first step is we have to click on the start button. To start paint, we have to click on the start button. Now, where is the start button? It is present at the corner of the window. Yes, this button is the start button. Now next is, after selecting start button, we have to select the all programs. Yes, after selecting all programs, select accessories. Okay, so after selecting all programs, we have to select accessories. In accessories, we will get paint button, so we have to select this paint option. So this is the last step. We have to click on the paint button. Okay, so after selecting paint, we will get our paint window in the desktop. Now this window will appear after selecting the paint button. This window will appear. Okay, so here you can see the colors, pencil and many tools. Okay, let's learn about the parts. So children, as you can see, there are many parts of the window. The highlighted parts are ribbon, drawing area, etc. Now this one, the reddish highlighted bar, is known as ribbon. So this ribbon contains many groups, and these groups contain many tools. For example, we have this shape tool. This shape group contains many shape tools like triangle, circle, oval, lines, pentagon. Many shapes it contains. Okay, so the ribbon contains many groups, and these groups contain many tools. Okay, now this highlighted red part is known as the drawing area. Yes children, this part is known as drawing area. That means this is the place where we make our drawing. We can draw the pictures. Now let's learn some tool. First one is a pencil tool. Yes, you can see this highlighted tool. This tool is pencil tool. Okay, by using pencil tool, you can make freehand drawings in a computer. Next one is brushes tools and lines tool. So brushes tool is used to draw pictures by using the brush strokes, and lines tool is used to draw straight line. Understood? Pencil tool is used to make a freehand drawing. Now let's learn about pencil tool. Pencil tool is the tool which is used to draw thin lines and curves. So pencil tool is used to draw lines and curves or any drawing by using this pencil tool. Now click and drag first. Okay, now how you can use pencil tool? You have to first select this pencil tool by using your mouse. Okay, and after selecting this pencil tool, you have to choose the color, and after selecting the color, you can click on the mouse and drag your mouse anywhere so that your curve or your line will be made. Understood? So what you have to do, you have to drag your mouse and click on the left mouse button, and after releasing you will get the proper line. Okay, now next is brush tool. Now how we can use brush tool? Children, there are approximately 9 brushes in the brush tool. You can select any of the brush and you can start drawing your picture. Now how you can start drawing with your brush tool? You have to select the brush tool, and after selecting your brush, you have to select the color. That, for suppose I have selected red color. Okay, so after selecting this red color, click on the mouse and drag your mouse like this so that your brush can move and you can draw the picture. Okay, now, so children, do you know there are 9 kind of brushes in paint? Yes, there are 9 kinds of brushes. They are brush, calligraphy brush number 1, calligraphy brush number 2, airbrush, oil brush, crayon, marker, natural pencil and watercolor brush. Okay, so these are the 9 brushes present in a Microsoft Paint. Now, how we can make lines by using the lines tool? Okay, the process is you have to select this line tool which is given in the ribbon. So after selecting this line tool, you can click and drag your mouse in a straight manner so that your lines will be made. Okay, so children, this is your introduction chapter, and in the next class I will show you how to make drawings and how to make lines or shapes in a computer. This is just an introduction chapter. Okay, now after this, if we want to close the paint, how we can close our paint window? There are some steps that we have to follow to close the paint window. Like, first we have to go to this paint button. Where is the paint button? This corner, this blue button is known as paint button. So we have to select this paint button. After selecting this paint button, we will select exit. Where is exit? This option is exit. So we have to click on this exit button so that we can exit from your window. Okay, now children, I am showing you one video related to this topic so that this topic will be clear to you all. Okay.
Fun with MS Paint. Starting MS Paint. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. Click on Paint. The Paint window appears on the screen. Parts of the Paint window. 1. Quick Access Toolbar. It has buttons for common tasks. 2. Title bar. It shows the name of your drawing and program. 3. Paint button. It has different options to work in Paint. 4. Tab. It has different tools arranged in different groups. 5. Group. It has many tools for a related task. 6. Ribbon. It has different tabs and groups. 7. Drawing area. It is the white blank space for drawing and coloring. Working with MS Paint. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Oval tool. Step 3. Choose thickness. Step 4. Select a color. Step 5. Now come to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse. Step 6. Release the mouse button when an oval is made. Step 7. Now click on Fill with Color tool. Step 8. Select a color. Step 9. In the drawing area, click inside the shape to fill it with your chosen color.
So children, I hope this video will be clear to you. Now, this is all for today. In the next class, I will show you how to draw pictures or how to draw shapes in a paint. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay in your home and stay healthy. And thank you for watching the video.